Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of not being able to use mobile hotspot while data saver is on. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So start by opening your settings up, and from there go to connections at the top, and then next scroll down and tap on data usage. So once you're in the data usage menu, look for the data saver option and simply switch it off, like so. So now when you try to activate your mobile hotspot, it should work without any issues. You can also turn off Wi-Fi if needed for your hotspot to function seamlessly. So that's basically how you can fix the issue of not being able to use mobile hotspot while data saver is on. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.